Imagine creating a full marketing campaign, ad copy, social media posts, images, even videos in just a few minutes. What once required large teams, designers, and weeks of work can now be done with a few prompts. This shift is driven by AI content creation, one of the fastest growing transformations in marketing today. AI content creation uses tools powered by machine learning to generate text, images, videos, and even voiceovers. Instead of starting from scratch, marketers can use platforms like ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, and other AI tools for video production. This dramatically reduces the time and cost required to produce content, making it accessible not only to large companies, but also to small businesses and individual creators. One of the biggest advantages of AI content creation is speed and scalability. Brands no longer need to create one version of an advertisement for everyone. With AI, they can generate multiple versions of the same message, tailored to different audiences. This supports what marketers call personalized content at scale, where each customer can receive a slightly different message based on their preferences and behavior. AI also improves consistency and efficiency. Companies can maintain a consistent tone, style, and messaging across different platforms without relying entirely on manual effort. For example, a brand can generate blog posts, email campaigns, and social media content that all align with the same strategy, saving time while maintaining quality. Many companies are already using AI to enhance their marketing efforts. E-commerce brands generate product descriptions automatically. Media companies use AI to create scripts and summaries, and marketers use AI tools to brainstorm ideas, headlines, and campaign strategies. This allows teams to focus more on strategy and creativity rather than repetitive tasks. However, AI content creation also comes with challenges. Content generated by AI can sometimes lack originality or human emotion if not guided properly. This is why successful marketers combine AI with human creativity, using AI as a tool rather than a complete replacement. The goal is not to remove humans from the process, but to make them more productive. AI is changing the entire content landscape. As tools become more advanced, the ability to create high-quality content quickly will become a major competitive advantage. Businesses that learn how to combine AI efficiency with human creativity will lead the next generation of marketing. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore how automation and intelligent systems are transforming marketing workflows through marketing automation and predictive systems.